happy Saturday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you guys on a beach day with me and my friend Taylor today. And I made a cute little picnic basket. I'll show you everything. I'm about to head out right now. So, I'll show you. I had to close the blinds because we're heading out. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot the hummus, but I have like some strawberries in there and like some hard booch and pita chips. I'm gonna get some hummus. So now we have everything. Our basket is complete. We're gonna head out. I've been listening to Burna Boy lately, and like that's like my new thing. Burna Boy and Morgan Wallen, the two duality. It's all I gotta say. Just made it to the beach. My friend's already here. I'm glad the sun came out because as soon as I got out of my car, the sun went away. But it's fine. All good. All smiles here. All smiles. I was so excited. I feel like it's summer since we had such a weird summer here. It'd be hot, it'd be cold, it'd be raining, everything. I don't know. Thought the world was gonna end, you know, dramatic me. This is like my cute little bag. It's kind of hard to carry everything because I have a full hands, and there's a little bit of traffic coming here, but not too bad. About to get a little workout in because these stairs be killer at this beach, let me tell you. The skin is immaculate right now. She's shaking like jelly. She a baddie, she's showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. We've been here at the beach all day. All day. And the sun keeps leaving us and keeps returning to us. I know.
She won't come back, actually. She won't come back out.
It's been a while. It's really up to you. If you want to grab a bite, we can.
I mean, I'm so down to grab a bite and whatever.
Okay, I decided to do a Target run because, I don't know, I just felt good on the way home and I was like, you know what would be good right now? Target. So I'm now in Target. I just got this candle and it's so me. I love it so much. Yeah, smells like canceled plans. They're reading me. Stop reading me to death. And they've changed this Target so much since the last time I've been in here. Like, I'm just so lost and confused right now. I'm getting essential oils, you know, to be on it. Good morning. It's the morning after my Long Beach day. And I have my heated sculpt class in just a couple minutes here. Morning, I kind of woke up naturally around like 7:45. I was trying to get myself to stay asleep, but it wasn't working out. So I did a little like self-care to myself. I feel like anyway, I'm gonna head in so I can sit down, stretch, and it's only 45 minutes. Okay, so I didn't make it because I thought it was at 10:30 and it was at 10. And it's only 45 minutes, so there's literally only 15 minutes left, and I missed it. And I'm gonna not feel bummed out about this. I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna do some yoga at home, and then it'll all be okay. That's just what I'm gonna do. I will just do that. Yeah, just like let it go. I'm like trying to convince myself right now, to be honest, because I'm really bummed out about that. I was excited. I thought this candle was appropriate. Unintentionally, but hey, it works. It smells really good. I burned it last night. Oh, baby. Don't burn me now. I usually like to put this on the stove. Honestly, I'm just doing it for you guys. But I usually, you know, the stove gets me burning the best and the quickest. I really like incense, and every time I buy them, every once in a blue moon, I always tell myself that I should get these more often, and I never end up doing that. So, sending you good energy this Sunday morning, or whatever day you are watching this. Still sending you good energy every day. Every day. A collective breath. My cousin texted me and invited my boyfriend and I to a Galaxy soccer game, and this week passing, I thought to myself, I want to go to a soccer game. Station, the way it's working, I don't even know how I just thought about it, and it just was here.